Take a look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Carfax has certified the Silverado 3500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 3500 HD has just under 3,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, LT Preferred Equipment Group, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, trailer brake controller, integrated, engine block heater, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters, painted steel, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, trailering equipment, heavy duty, suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty and the tire, spare LT 235/80R17E highway. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.